number 42 on the Math 86 final review. And you have negative 3 bracket negative 2 parentheses x minus 1 plus 3 parentheses negative 4x plus 2 close bracket. And what we like to do is you always want to remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But here we're just focusing on which set of parentheses to start with first. You either can start here or you can start here. I'm going to start with the one closest to my left. You want to keep the negative 3 on the outside, and you want to work inside the bracket and first parentheses you see. You want to distribute the number that's outside evenly. So you want to multiply the negative 2 by x and by negative 1. So you're going to take negative 2 times x, the variable x, and you're going to get negative 2x. Then you're going to take negative 2 times the negative 1. Anytime you're multiplying a negative times a negative, you get a positive, and that becomes positive 2. Now, our second parentheses has negative 4x plus 2. Outside of it, you see a 3. And so you want to take the 3 and distribute it evenly between the negative 4x and the 2. And we're simply going to multiply here. We're going to multiply 3 times negative 4x. Anytime you multiply a negative times a positive, you get a negative. So that becomes negative 12x. Now you want to take 3 and you want to multiply it by 2 as well. And 3 times 2 is a positive 6. Okay. And since we're still working in the brackets, we can actually consolidate or add and subtract some of these variables and whole numbers together before we get to the outside, the negative 3. So negative 2x and negative 12x have the same exponential values and they have the same variables. So they can get added together. Negative 2x plus negative 12x is going to be negative 14x. And positive 2 plus positive 6 is going to give us a positive 8. Okay. And now we can make this into parentheses, and you don't want to forget to bring down the negative 3. Negative 3 times, now the negative 3 we're going to distribute between the negative 14x and the positive 8. Negative 3 times a negative 14 is going to give us a positive 42x. And negative 3 times a positive 8 is going to give us a negative 24. Anytime you multiply a negative times a positive, you're going to get a negative. The final answer is 42x minus 24.